Hey everyone, welcome back on the B2A Tech Tips channel, the channel where you can find all the tips, tricks, and news around technology. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic that's shaping the future of medicine. Artificial intelligence, or AI, in healthcare. If you like the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and share. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Now, I know AI might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's very real, and it's already making a huge impact on how we take care of our health. So, grab a seat, get comfy, and let's explore how AI is revolutionizing patient care. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI in healthcare? Simply put, AI is when computers or machines do tasks that usually require human intelligence. In healthcare, this means using algorithms and data to help doctors and nurses make better decisions, predict patient outcomes, and even discover new treatments. For example, AI can look at tons of medical records and find patterns that a human might miss. It can predict which patients are at risk of certain conditions or recommend personalized treatment plans. Pretty cool, right? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's look at some real-world examples of how AI is changing healthcare as we know it. Detecting diseases early. All right, let's kick things off with a really cool example. AI in medical imaging. Imagine you go in for a routine scan, like a mammogram or a CT scan. Instead of just a human radiologist looking at your results, there's also an AI system analyzing the images. Companies like Google Health and IBM Watson have developed AI algorithms that can detect signs of breast cancer or lung disease earlier, and sometimes even more accurately than human doctors. And what's amazing is that these AI systems can catch things that might be easy to miss, leading to earlier detection and treatment. It's like having a second pair of super precise eyes. Personalized treatment plans. Now, let's talk about treatment plans. Traditionally, doctors create treatment plans based on what works for the majority of patients. But we all know that everyone's body is different, right? That's where AI comes in. AI can analyze tons of data from different patients to understand what treatments work best for specific types of people. For instance, if you have diabetes, an AI can help determine which medication will work best for you based on your unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and other health factors. This kind of personalized medicine is changing how we think about treatments, making them more effective and reducing side effects. Okay, this next one is something you might already be using without even realizing it. Virtual health assistants. You know those chatbots you talk to on your doctor's website or the app that reminds you to take your medication? Many of those are powered by AI. These virtual assistants can answer your health questions, schedule appointments, and even help manage chronic conditions by reminding you to take your meds or check your blood pressure. It's like having a mini healthcare assistant in your pocket 24/7. Plus, it frees up doctors and nurses to focus on more complex cases. Robotic surgeries. Next up, let's talk about robotic surgeries. This might sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real and happening now. AI is being used to assist surgeons in performing minimally invasive surgeries with the help of robotic systems. These AI-powered robots can make precise movements that are hard for human hands to replicate, reducing the risk of complications and speeding up recovery times for patients. So, in some ways, AI is literally getting a hand in the operating room. So, as you can see, AI is already making a big splash in healthcare, from early diagnosis and personalized treatment plans to virtual health assistants and even robotic surgeries. And the best part? We're just scratching the surface of what's possible. It's an exciting time to be in the world of medicine, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Now that we know what AI in healthcare is, let's see how it works. First up, diagnostics. This is one of the most exciting areas where AI is making waves. Imagine a machine that can analyze medical images, like X-rays, MRIs, or CT scans, faster and sometimes even more accurately than a human radiologist. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, it's happening right now. Companies like Google Health have developed AI systems that can detect diseases such as lung cancer, breast cancer, and even eye conditions from medical images. These systems are trained on thousands or even millions of images, learning to spot the smallest details that could indicate a problem. The result? Faster, more accurate diagnoses, which means patients can get the right treatment sooner. And in some cases, these AI tools are being used to assist doctors in remote areas, where access to specialists might be limited. AI in treatment planning. Next, let's talk about treatment planning. AI isn't just good at finding problems, it's also great at helping figure out the best way to solve them. By analyzing data from thousands of patients, AI can suggest treatment plans that are tailored to an individual's specific needs. It takes into account things like age, medical history, genetics, and even lifestyle to recommend the best course of action. And we're not just talking about prescribing meds. AI can help with everything from planning surgeries to predicting how a patient will respond to chemotherapy. It's all about making sure each patient gets the most effective treatment with the least side effects. AI in patient monitoring. Now, let's move on to patient monitoring. This is where AI really shines in keeping an eye on patients' health over time. You've probably heard of wearables like smartwatches that track your heart rate and steps, but AI takes this a step further. Advanced AI algorithms can analyze data from these devices to detect early signs of problems like heart disease or diabetes, sometimes even before symptoms appear. This kind of proactive monitoring means doctors can intervene earlier, potentially preventing serious health issues down the road. It's all about catching problems before they become big ones. AI in drug discovery. Another fascinating area is drug discovery. Finding new drugs is usually a long and expensive process, but AI is speeding things up in a big way. AI can analyze thousands of chemical compounds and predict which ones might be effective as new drugs. This not only speeds up the research process, but also reduces costs significantly. In fact, some AI-developed drugs are already in clinical trials, and many more are on the way. This means we could see new, effective treatments for diseases that were previously hard to treat. Ethical considerations and challenges. Now, while all of this sounds amazing, it's important to remember that there are also some challenges and ethical considerations to think about. For example, privacy is a big concern. AI systems need access to a lot of data to work effectively, and we need to make sure this data is handled securely and ethically. There's also the question of bias. If the data used to train AI is biased, the results could be too, which could lead to unequal treatment. So, while AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, it's crucial that we address these issues as we move forward. So there you have it. AI in healthcare is already making a huge difference, and it's only going to become more important in the years to come. From diagnosing diseases faster to personalizing treatments and even discovering new drugs, the possibilities are endless. But like any powerful tool, we need to use AI responsibly, making sure it benefits everyone and protects patient privacy. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And let me know in the comments what you think about AI in healthcare. I'll catch you in the next video on the 3T channel.